Welcome back to Tainslade Info. France has always been a good friend and a partner for India and Indian Defence Forces. Indian Defence Forces use a variety of French products in their arsenal, and to name a few, the Dassault Aviation Mirage 2000 and Dassault Rafale fighters. Not only that, Safran group of engines power the Rafale fighters, which is being used by Indian Air Force, and also they are the leading supplier of turbine engines for the helicopters used by the Indian Armed Forces. Having such a good, trustful relationship with France is a good sign. And being so close and joint with France, there was another major decision which was taken by Indian Air Force, and it's all about acquiring second-hand French fighters to boost the Indian Air Force squadron strength and also to maintain the existing one. To be more precise, we discussed sometimes back that Indian Air Force might be going for 24 second-hand Mirage 2000 fighters, and out of these 24, few of them would be in flying condition after an in-depth service, and the rest fighters can be used for providing vital spare parts for the existing squadron of Mirage 2000. As per the latest update, the Indian Air Force has received two second-hand Mirage 2000 fighter aircraft from France at its Gwalior Air Base. It is said that these two Mirage 2000 fighters received are trainer version aircraft. The next step by Indian Air Force is to upgrade these Mirage 2000 aircrafts to the latest standards as part of the Mirage upgrade program, which is handled by the Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. Due to this addition, the Mirage 2000 fighter count has gone to 51. According to me, instead of going for new fighters, which would cost a lot and take a long time, it's a wise decision to do a fast induction of used fighters which are in good condition, as it would save a lot of money and also time and also help in boosting the fighter squadron strength. These second-hand Mirage 2000 aircrafts can also be used as a major spare parts supplier like engine, fuel tanks, ejection seats, airframe, and other vital components which would be difficult to get once these fighters are completely phased out by Dassault Aviation. So that was a quick update about Indian Air Force receiving two second-hand Mirage 2000 fighters from France, and we also saw a quick recap about the second-hand Mirage 2000 deal. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to Tainslade Info for more defense and aviation related updates. Thank you.